Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Samyang stew style hot and spicy ramen noodle. And here are the ingredients: 2 jumbo shrimp, 1 egg, 2 sliced scallion, 1/4 cup of cheese, and of course the Samyang stew style hot chicken flavored ramen noodle. Let's get started guys. This will be an easy and delicious meal. The first thing you need to do is boil 2.5 cups of water. And now we will add in our noodle. Followed by our seasoning. And now we can also add in another packet of seasoning. And I think it has seaweed and scallion inside. Let's also crack in our egg. We can also add in our scallion, which is cut into about 2 inches long. There are about 2 stalks of scallion in there. And there goes the shrimp. And to make the broth cheesy and creamy, let's add in our Kobe Jack cheese. You could add as much cheese as you want, but I think that is about 1/4 cup of cheese for me. Once we add all of our ingredients, now let's cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes has passed, and now our noodles are nice and tender. Our egg and shrimp are fully cooked. And our broth is nice and creamy and cheesy. And even the green onions look pretty good. Now let's remove it from the heat. For me, the best way to eat it is straight from the pan. But if anybody wants to have some, grab a bowl. This is one of the easiest and most comforting food ever. I really enjoy the steamy, spicy broth and the creaminess of it. The scallion adds some vegetable into the mix, and the shrimp add the seafood flavor that you would miss without. And you would definitely need the eggs for this. Let's slice the egg in the middle to see how well it cooked. It cooked really well and still nice and creamy in the center. This is a great meal to share with friends and family, or just to eat by yourself. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.